Hi everybody. Today we're going to learn how to tie your cable with trick string. You can get this for 15-20 bucks for good stuff anywhere online. We're going to wrap a Cat 5 cable today and a snake. Alright, so what you're going to do is take off a couple ravels of it and cut it with your knife. Then you take your cable. You take one side of the cable, lay it down, and cut it in half, exactly in half. Do a halfway through for a knot, your first knot. Looking good. We're going to do the other half. Now it's a knot, and now we're going to wrap the cable inside, outside. Ooh, cable's messed up on us. When you wrap cable, you always wrap from the side with the string. And you hold it like this. Inside, here's outside. Make it the same size. Inside, outside, inside, outside, inside. Perfect. And you lay it down. Bring it up here, and now you tie a bow tie, like you're tying some shoes. So we're there, make a bow tie right there, and we're done. Now the cable will hang and rest perfectly. So once again, we got a snake here. It's longer, so we need more. It's thicker. So snakes are expensive. I like to not go cheap on 20-cent wire when you have a $100 snake. All right, so here's our trick string. That might be too short. Let's try it. Now, with male and female cable, you always tie the male side, so the snake has all the string hanging on it instead of the microphone. So we're only going to grab one cable out of the snake, cut it in half exactly, do it again so it doesn't go anywhere. And now tie, wrap I mean. So inside, outside, inside, outside, inside. I don't like it. We're going to do it again. Inside, outside, inside, outside, inside. I like to have the connections close together. Put it down, grab the wire through, tie it in your bow tie. Not a knot, a bow tie. So the next engineer, Roadie, stagehand, can come and grab it and take it and use it. And it stays perfectly in circle, which is the best for your wire. No knots, no shoulder wraps. That's wacky tobacco right there. All right, folks. Well, thank you very much for watching my video on how to tie your string with string tie. Thanks, Mr. Producer.